Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay, so students from standard 7 English medium. Today I am going to revise the chapters. Means not revise the chapters, but given you the MCQs. Revision of MCQs of Unit 1. What is the chapter name? Chapter name is 3 questions, and in this unit the poem. Which poem? The Squirrel. Okay, let's see the MCQ. Okay, objective type questions. Read the statements given below and choose the correct option. Okay, first MCQ is the answers to the 3 questions will enable of what? Enable of the hermit to go to the king to lead a peaceful life, the king to be always successful, the subject to lead a good life. So the 3 questions will enable of what? Enable of the king to be always successful. That is the answer of the first MCQ. Second MCQ. The king was not satisfied with the answer, as they were lengthy, they all were different, they were dull, they served no purpose. No, the answers were given by the different people, and they were all the different answers. That is why the king was not satisfied. Okay, the king went to see the hermit in what? The king went to the hermit's place, but wearing what? But wearing simple clothes. What? Simple clothes. The king dug the beds. The king dug the beds. Why? Because he loved gardening, to help the hermit, to pass time, to get his servant. Because of to help the hermit. He was old and tired. So the king decided to help the hermit in what? In digging the beds. Okay, fifth. In fifth, the wounded man was a friend of the hermit, a friend of the king, an enemy of the hermit, an enemy of the king. Who was the wounded man? The wounded man was an enemy of the king. Enemy of the king. And that wounded man, what? He wanted to kill the king. That is why he was enemy of the king. Number 6. The king dressed the wounds off. The king dressed the wounds off. Of what? The bearded man. The king dressed the wounded. That was the bearded man. The hermit not, the horse not, his guards not. But who was the wounded man? Bearded man, who was who was a lot of beard. Okay, the bearded man was the who? Relative of the king's, friends of the king, king's one enemy and guard of the king. So that was the bearded man was number 3rd. The king's one enemy. Sworn enemy. Number 8. The bearded man asked for what? Asked for water, asked for property, asked for forgiveness, or asked for money. So the bearded man, the wounded bearded man asked for what? Asked for forgiveness. Why? Because the king was wounds. He dressed his wounds. That is why he wanted to ask his forgiveness to the king. Okay, number 9. The king had done him wrong, as the king had done him wrong, as he had killed his brother, he had killed his sister, he had seized his property, or number 4, both first and third. So the king had done him wrong. Why? Because he had killed his brother and seized his property. So what is the correct answer? Number this, D. Both first and third. The king had done it. This. Okay, in number 10. The king was happy. No, the king sent A/N to look after him. To look after what? And the king sent whom? The king sent doctor, anesthetist, anesthetic, quick, and servant. The king sent whom? The king sent doctor to look after the wounded man. The king was happy that. Why the king was happy? Because that wounded man became his friend. Now he had won a friend. This number 1 is the correct one. In the last one, the answer of the hermit. The answer of the hermit, what? Satisfy the king, fail to satisfy the king, confuse the king, or amuse the king. That was the first, satisfy the king. That was the hermit answer. Okay, then next. Now about the poem. The poem name is The Squirrel. The Squirrel War. What the Squirrel War? That was a coat. What? A coat. The squirrel wore a coat. Now second, when the squirrel raises the tail, what happened? Its tip keeps pointing down. Okay, his tip means his tail like that, pointing down. Number third, that the squirrel's hobby is. What is the squirrel hobby? The squirrel hobby is to do some funny tricks and play. What? To do some funny tricks and play. That was his hobby. Number 4. A squirrel likes to. What? Squirrel likes to play with human beings. What? Play with human beings. Okay. If humans ran around the squirrel wouldn't be frightened because he loves to play with the human beings. That is why he wouldn't be frightened, afraid of the humans. Then next. Okay. See. MCQs. The squirrel was sitting on a tree and doing something. What? Sitting on a tree and eating nuts. The poetic device used in the tails was like a question mark. The tails was like a question mark. That was the tail. The squirrel tails. The symbol like a question mark is what? Metaphor, is personification, simile, or rhyme? Is simile. That was the answer. Now the third one. The squirrel sat in a straight manner, the bureau, an erect position, or both, first and second. So the answer is both, first and second. The straight manner and an erect position. Erect means what? Straight. Okay. Its hobby was. Whose hobby? Squirrel hobby. The squirrel hobby was. Okay. Its hobby was to play, to climb, to indulge in mockery, or to eat. In the fourth answer, this. Or number 5. You have given the 5. Both. First and third. First means to play and third means to indulge in mockery. Okay, number 5. The coat of the squirrel was. The coat of the squirrel was what? What is the color of the coat? Admirable, graying, very quick, or grey? So the answer is grey. And the last, the squirrel went to other way shows its what? Its different attitude towards the humans, disagreement, different strategy, or both, first and third. So the answer of the sixth one, the squirrel went to the other way, shows its different attitude towards whom? Towards the human. That is the correct answer. Okay, this is the revision of chapter 1 and chapter 2 of the MCQ. I hope you understand about it. Thank you.